This is CUBOT Tab 10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we'll launch the settings, enter the display category and expand the available options for the screen timeout feature, or should I say the available values, we'll realize that the highest we can go by default is only 30 minutes. Thus, if we would like to be able to set it to never, we are going to use the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's get it real quick. Simply launch the Play Store, type in Caffeine and download this very app. And from here, all that it's left to do is to launch the app and make sure that the timeout section of it, this one, has the infinite value set, and that will essentially mean that as long as the Caffeine application is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.